In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete search history in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear your recent search terms and suggestions so your search box feels fresh and a bit more private. This process doesn't delete any emails or files, it only removes the list of past queries Outlook remembers to speed up future searches. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mailbox and make sure you're on the main mail view so the top menu is visible. We'll work entirely within Outlook's built-in settings, so there's nothing additional to download. Next, look to the very top left corner of the window and click File. In most desktop versions of Outlook for Windows, this opens the Backstage view where all of your account and app level settings live. If you're used to navigating with the ribbon, think of this as the central place for options that affect Outlook as a whole, not just a single message. From here, go to Settings. Depending on your version, this may appear as Options. Either way, you're opening the main Outlook settings panel where you can control general preferences, mail behavior, and privacy choices. If you see a sidebar on the left, you're in the right spot. In the settings window, select General, then click Privacy and Data. General is typically near the top of the left sidebar. Once selected, look for a section called Privacy and Data on the right. This area groups controls that influence what Outlook remembers and how it handles usage information. Now click Delete History. This button specifically targets your search history. Things like phrases you typed into the search box and suggestions that appear when you click into it. Deleting this history is helpful if you share your device, if a previous query keeps popping up and distracting you, or if you just want a clean slate. If the button is grayed out, it likely means there's nothing stored to clear at the moment. When prompted, click Continue to confirm. Outlook will ask for confirmation to make sure you really want to remove your search history. Go ahead and approve the action. The deletion is usually instant and you won't lose any content, only the saved search terms and suggestions. To verify, return to your inbox and click in the search box. You should notice that the previous suggestions are gone. That's it, you've cleared your Outlook search history. If you value a tidy search experience, consider revisiting these settings from time to time. And if you're exploring privacy further, this same area contains additional controls you can review at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep Outlook clean and focused.